Hello and welcome back. This is Prasad, and we are talking about that VBA automation for the worksheets. And today we are going to learn about that how to add the sheets with the dates. So here is the developer tab and the visible basic here, and I insert the module here first. Okay, so I write the subject here, sub PRA, and enter. Okay, between this I declare the variable first, dim I as long, and dim worksheet means WBK as worksheet. Okay, as a worksheet. Okay, so we declare the two variable here as team I as a long and team WBHK as a worksheet. So we use the for loop here first, because we loop basis we can add the sheets to 1 to 10 here, and here we can mention first active sheet dot range a1 dot value is equal to date. Okay, and active sheet dot range dot range I'm sorry range a1 dot interior color is equal to RGB yellow. Okay, and then we can sheets we can set the worksheet set WBK is equal to sheets dot add. Okay, so this is a very easy code. We can automate the sheets here. So here is 1 to 10, we can add the sheets, and active sheet the value which is the date, and active sheet range is color on able. Okay, so we can run this first. Select here and press the F8 key. See the date is there and yellow color, and the next and date is here and yellow. So you can see here also the sheet has been changed and taking the value of date, and I run all. So all sheets 1 to 10 get the title here, date and color. So this is for useful to your daily basis. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you and very much.